Wondering how hair replacement systems are attached? There are a few common methods of attachment you can choose from depending on your preference. For adhesive methods, cosmetic-grade tape and/or glue is applied to the hairpiece and attached to the wearer. Tapes are double-sided and is applied to the perimeter of the hairpiece, which allows it to be attached to the wearer. There are two types of bonds, soft and hard bonds. Soft bonds are flexible and easy to remove. It works best when the concerned area is cleanly shaven for direct contact to the skin. Soft bonds secure hairpieces for up to 4 weeks. Hard bonds, while strong and doesn't require a clean shave, can irritate the skin once dried. A professional is recommended for attachment and removal. Hairpieces can stay on for up to 6 weeks with hard bonds. With the clipping method, small clips are sewn to the perimeter of the hairpiece. Wearers just have to place the hairpiece atop their head and snap the clips onto existing hair to secure it. Visit Aremyhair for more information.